There's the beep. Hey guys, did you stop it? God.
No, I didn't stop it.
So this is the '68 Mustang. There's a couple of issues with it, like the rot on the subframe.
Dude, walk around so I can follow you with it.
Rot on the subframe here, rot all through. Torque boxes are gone.
Torque boxes you have to show through the front.
Yeah, I know you have to
the
show
inside
through
of
the
the car.
front and the interior. But either way, torque boxes are gone. Floor pans have rotted out. Just a whole lot of damage in the interior. Not too bad. Well, it's an easy replacement with new floor pans, but let me get back here. Rot in the wheel well.
Not enough light to see that.
Maybe there'll be some more light on the other side. Oh, yeah, sorry about it. Didn't realize it was so late when we went to do this.
Hang on, guys. I'm gonna put some light on this for you. Well, guys and gals. There we go.
Okay,
Here's the fender rod he was talking about.
You can also see all of the Bondo that the previous people had put on.
Yeah, the Bondo King struck the back quarter panels.
Hey, look, more light. The trunk's in pretty good condition compared to the rest of the car.
Wait till you open it.
Hey, the interior still looks decent. And then,
Passenger rear quarter panels in the same shape as the driver, minus the massive hole over here going into the cab.
yeah. Thankfully, the passenger door is in a little better condition.
Here's a better shot of the inside, where you can actually see the torque boxes and everything. They're completely rotted through. And then, of course, the rot on the passenger front subframe. Now what we're going to do is start the car for you.
Got that Flintstone mobile status.
Can't pause, you can only stop.
Well, we can make it 2 vids.
Alright, we're back. Sorry the wife needed me.
Alright, let's start this bad boy up. Oh.
Green Bay Wacky, we're doing this whole video for you, man, so you can see the starting of the car. She does run. She runs good. And all that costs at Wacky, a new ignition coil, fuel pump, and the carburetor rebuild kit. Spent like $80 total on the whole car so far, just to get the motor running. Not bad at all. Now, tomorrow, or possibly Monday, depending on when we'll be able to get back to it.
Probably Monday since
We were planning on dropping the fuel tank today and getting it all cleaned up, yanking out the fuel lines. But that didn't happen. Got stuck at the house with all the kids. And I don't trust Junior over here to do it himself. So,
yeah, I wouldn't either.
at some point in the near future, that's going to get done. And then I'm going to get the engine hoist and the engine stand, and we're going to yank the motor. Go ahead and prep things to start ordering parts. But that's all for now. We'll see you guys later.